Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. See it.
It's a little ball.
It's a Playmobile.
And I got it for Christmas. That's like my pen.
Try to open it.
It's hard. See, I told you it's hard.
That's because it was supposed to be opened right here.
And so I think that, he's serious. He's going to come around and do what he wants to do. He will slap those carrots off. I think he also knows that Justin Trudeau is incredibly weak. He's going to next year in October, where
Need some more.
I don't know. Let's see.
We need an instruction.
Yeah, we're going to get the instructions.
Here they are.
Okay.
We really need them. We can't do it without instructions, right?
Exactly. Let me read it.
Because then it gets confusing.
This is through. Okay. This is the side.
Ha ha ha. Here's my new hat. Do you like it?
And this is Mia's new Playmobile. Maybe we'll put the window in. Give me that. Give me that.
Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. I'm waving to you for the window.
Okay. Let's see. It says get this. Okay, then we need a square one. I guess it's in here.
How do you pop this window out? How do you get this window out? Can you help me get it?
No, leave that. Okay. Let's see what we need to do. We need to find this piece right here.
A door?
No, this piece right here, let's find. Okay, I don't know if it's this piece. Okay, it's this piece right here. Now it's saying to put some red things in there.
Look at what I have.
Wow.
Like that's for the tractor. Look at.
Okay, these are the things you put in there.
It is an independent country. Thanks so much for joining us. Very much appreciated. Take care. All right, new charges today in the horrific case of an illegal immigrant accused of burning a woman to death on the subway here in New York City.
We gotta get, I guess it's, no, it must be this blue thing.
I'm so excited to do the wheel.
I know.
I'm gonna do the wheel, not you.
Okay.
And you can help me on the wheel. Look it. I made the wheel already. Look it.
Okay. Okay.
Over here, Glampy. Come on, Glampy.
Grampy.
I don't know how to put it together. I mean, I'm trying.
What is it?
for Playmobile.
Playmobile.
For toy.
What's a Playmobile?
It's a farm. Okay, let's start with something. Hold on. Okay, hold on. I don't know where the parts fit.
Okay, we need the back wall, which is a plain one of these.
I was playing with that. Which is this.
Oh, here we go.
And there's two
Is this the right
different,
thing?
Murder in the first degree.
Yeah, I guess it is.
there's two
And
different
I
red
found this
things.
for the tractor. One
Okay, you gotta open up one of these. Yeah.
I did, it's already open.
This one?
Yep, and this one's open, so I don't know which one it is.
Okay.
Hi, Grandpa.
Wait a minute, pumpkin.
I'm waiting for the window.
Okay, give me that thing behind you, honey.
Oops.
This is the same.
Yeah, give me that.
Hi, Grandpa. I'm waving to you for the window.
Hi, pumpkin.
You see my waving?
Yeah, he does.
Investigators are working to identify her.
Are these numbered?
Nope. Nope, they came in here. Nothing's numbered, so that's why it's like, I have no
This
clue
is
what
the
I'm
window.
doing.
Look it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the point in the wheelbarrow. La 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 la. Open the door together. Good job, Patsy. You're doing good over there.
Wreaking havoc via crimes is just outrageous.
You just heard the Brooklyn DA say that the NYPD and medical examiner have made progress in identifying the victim in this case. She was so badly burned.
I'm doing pretty good, huh?
There. So the Indian migrant charged
I knew
in
that.
prison without the possibility of parole in his
Oh, yeah.
Give me that top right there.
Give me this.
No? Yep, that one.
What happened to my client?
Right here. Here's some people and a horse.
I'll take the list.
Ooh, where are those other things going?
I don't know yet.
My horsey. My horse. Ooh, you can put the head down. They can
And you will say that there's absolutely a
Hasn't even started the Trump administration yet. Do you think that cities are going to begin to change, or are we going to see 4 years?
I hope that you continue to give.
Can I see how you're doing? Over there, Boxy? Wow, you're doing pretty good. Can I help you over there?
Our little girl, she survived.
Oh, wait a minute, maybe.
Cause it's like I don't have one.
3065
They all got numbers,
822.
but nothing's numbered.
Alexander, your hop, thanks so much for joining us. Let's bring in Robert O'Connor, the former dictator of the Soviet Union.
You don't have that tool, huh?
No.
So, no matter how good our ships are and how talented our sailors are, if they're
I don't know how you're supposed to get together without the tool.
Chinese are relentless. They're seeking to take advantage of this, every sector, every industry, every area that they can gain an advantage. And at some point, if we have a war with China, they are going to strike us. They're going to hit us in the whole land. They're going to hit us very hard in those natural ways. It may not be a bomb, but it's like.
Sorry, Mia.
They're going to have a bomb on our base, but maybe more than 30,000 male Chinese, with a deer rifle on the phone, from a such road. We've got to be very careful with what's going on with the Chinese here. And I think Pat and Stephen Miller and President Trump are going to start cleaning that problem up.
All right, former National Security Advisor, Ambassador Robert O'Brien. Ambassador, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it.
Good, yours.
Well, it's a new fight.
He does when he's not on the silver screen. Mark is passionate about his family, his faith, and his country.
Oh, I need the barn door.
Not exhibit. With his powerful voice, he's helping us to never forget those who have sacrificed so much.
You guys are doing amazing work.
Our foundation, you know what we do. We take care of our first
You got a door?
responders and also way over.
I don't know what kind of door. That's the only door I have. I get this.
You're in New York, Boston sports background because of all that you guys do.
Man, you got a blue basket?
The sacrifice that we're
Basket?
Correct.
by our freedoms, I don't take that lightly.
No, that's a wheelbarrow.
It represents all the great people.
So like, Patsy set it up by herself. And so I didn't know if these wooden tools were out of this. So I need to put, so let's go open. So I need to put it in here.
Those are all the brushes for the horses.
And this one right here looks like a paintbrush. Whee! Plop, plop, plop. Let's do plop. Oh no, it can't fit. Uh-oh. Redo it. It looks like go, 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 go. There. Now let me slide it right in that corner. I'm done.
And what are they all doing?
This one is taking the horse poop out, and this one is trying to get out of here.
Oh no. Is he gonna get out?
Yes. The horse. Alright. The horse escaped. The horse escaped. Now let's put the vegetables somewhere. In the yard. Yeah, that's a perfect spot. Don't you think, Patsy?
Mm-hmm. Hey, right here. A nice pond.
So, I don't know how to make, but that's all I got to make. That's how good I can make. I can't do it like some other maze. Only that maze.
And what's that? Is that the kitty cat going after the rat?
Yeah.
No. Oh no.
The pond, right?
Uh.
So this is kind of random, and this one is like, I want to get out. I don't want to be in here forever. And I'm gonna put some hay in it so I can eat. Where's the hay?
It's in the back of the barn. It's up top.
Let me grab that. There, and you see the
Who's
horse.
climbing up the ladder?
His name is Loki. That's what his name is. And I say Disco's name.
Is that the mummy?
No, it's the girl that owns the farm.
Oh,
Take
okay.
that out of her hand. Her name is farm owner.
Oh. Let's see the inside. Wow. This looks so neat.
It's hold that.
Wow.
Wait, Foxy, we forgot one of them. We forgot one of the other names. But, so this one, her name is
Susie?
no,
What? Petunia?
Candy.
Candy. Ooh.
Nom, 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 nom.
Wow. And look at this beautiful pond. Whoa. Is she picking up the poop?
No.
Oh, no. And look at all the veggies over there. This is a beautiful farm, isn't it?
She's feeding the horse.
It's a pony farm, huh?
She's feeding the horses. And she's like holding the hay so it doesn't go. And this is gonna be how it looks. But we didn't do the whole thing yet.
Say, give me a thumbs up.
Give me a thumbs up.
Say, see you next video.
See you next video.